Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Okay, made 2 videos earlier. Okay, about a few moments ago. Well, a moment ago. You know, mentioning Roman Arispe, talking about that I was jealous of Roman because, well, a little bit. Okay, grunting and stuff like that. Talking about grunting and all that. But you know what? Now this video is all about Lizzie. Beautiful, wonderful Lizzie. Sweet, adorable Lizzie. Yeah, Lizzie is very beautiful, very adorable. Okay, I say that because she's very sweet. Lizzie is very, very sweet, and I guarantee y'all that. Okay, that's why I watch her videos all the time. That's why I'm a fan of Lizzie. You know, so for some people to talk bad about her and stuff like that, you know, but to me, I think Lizzie Velasquez is very attractive, okay? I mean, let me tell y'all something. I have feelings for Lizzie, you know. I don't know why I waited all this time to say that I have feelings for her, you know. I wonder what she'll say if I say that, because, you know, when I first saw Lizzie, I had a crush on her, you know. I really did, to be honest with you, okay? That was around the time me and my girlfriend broke up. You know, I don't have a girlfriend. You know, okay. So, well, I hope my video didn't stop on me. You know. But anyway, oh, all right. I was trying to make sure that the time is working, because it kept stopping. You know, So anyway, as I was saying, folks, Lizzie is very, very attractive, you know. I find her very attractive, you know. So, like I say, it's not about looks. It's how a person feel, what's on the inside or how they are, you know. Because the reason why I was attracted to Lizzie, because of her personality, you know. She's very sweet and gorgeous, you know. So that's how I feel about her, you know. So I don't want nobody cussing me out and stuff like that, talking about I'm faking and all that, you know, because that are my true feelings about Lizzie when I first saw her, you know. I started watching her in 2013. Me and my girlfriend got into a heated argument, you know, in 2013, and then after we had an argument, she never told me that she found somebody and stuff like that, keeping secrets and stuff like that, and Tanya had a baby and stuff like that, and didn't let me know, and we were supposed to be best friends, you know. So, all right, I'll talk about Tanya another time, okay. So, on that note, me and Tanya relationship was over, you know. So, I mean, I think I watched one of Lizzie's videos when I was living in New Iberia, okay? I think one, when she was in a video by herself, you know? So, I was watching video game videos and stuff like that, and then I started watching one of her videos. It was good, though. I don't know how long I was subscribed to her channel, though, you know? So on that note, I think I started doing my I think I started watching a video in 2010 before I started doing the YouTube, you know. I think, you know. So on that note, I really enjoy Lizzie, you know. I wonder how many viewers I'm gonna get on this channel, you know. She's very beautiful, awesome, attractive, everything, you know. So that's how I feel about her, you know, because her voice, everything, her kindness, and you know, she got 2 dogs, and she the best pet owner ever, you know. Take care of her dogs and everything, you know. You know something? Do y'all watch my video, my episodes when I use that Bob Barker line? You know, when Bob Barker tell y'all after every episode of Price is Right, like Drew Carey keeping that legacy, like help control the pet population, have y'all pets spayed and neutered. Yeah, I love saying that, because Drew Carey continuing that legacy But sometimes I continue that legacy, you know, when I do big episodes, you know, when I do my final thoughts after every episode, you know, like when I was interviewing my friends and stuff like that when I was living in New Iberia, and then after they leave, I do a final thought, you know, and after that Christmas episode ended, I say help control the pet population, have your pet spayed and neutered. I put that on my Facebook, and then somebody commented on that and saying goodbye Barker-line, you know, something like that, you know. So now back to Lizzie, okay. I mean, I really enjoy her videos, very beautiful and everything. But you know, when somebody talk bad about her, you know, everybody curse each other out, you know. I mean, let me tell y'all something. What I don't like, for my knowledge, what I don't like is when people curse each other out and have hate towards people, you know. I mean, the problem about that I have is when somebody curse each other out and stuff like that, and then one girl talk about her eye and stuff like that, and then another person started cursing that person out and stuff like that, and then somebody comment and say she ain't meant it like that and stuff like that. But on the serious side, let me tell y'all something. If y'all have nothing nice to say about Lizzie or each other, don't say none at all. Just don't comment on her videos. If y'all have nothing nice to say, keep your comments to yourself. Okay, that's how I feel. Okay, if y'all like what you see in Lizzie videos, just don't watch it. That's all. I'm not gonna come on my videos cursing some of y'all out. Okay, I ain't gonna cuss y'all out. Okay, whoever watching this video, I ain't gonna cuss y'all out. Okay, so on the serious side, though, I want to tell y'all, please, whatever y'all do, don't say nothing negative on my comment section or her comment section. Okay, all right. So the way I feel about Lizzie, she's a sweetheart. You understand? I really enjoy watching her videos. You know, okay. When I'm feeling down, sometimes I watch her videos, you know. Her videos always cheer me up, you know. I just like watching her videos, you know. Very awesome, you know. I mean, I remember somebody comment on my videos with hate comments and then calling me a whack job and stuff like that, you know. So anyway, I blocked that person from commenting on my channel, you know. So that person ain't gonna comment no more. Okay. So whatever I say in my videos is my opinion. Okay. And Lizzie, I really enjoy her videos though. But the thing was, I was kind of jealous of Roman secretly, you know. So I just wish I sure wish I could meet Lizzie, you know, in person, okay? And I hope one day that she could come to New Orleans, okay? There are some good food in New Orleans. And Lizzie, if you're watching this, have you been in New Orleans before? Okay, if you haven't, it's nice out here, you know? So they have good food, some jambalaya, red beans and rice, gumbo, you name it, okay? So, seafood gumbo. I don't know if you had seafood before, but anyway, before I invite you to come out here for anything, I need to know what you're allergic to, because if you're allergic to some kind of seafood or whatever, I won't put you in that predicament, you know. I need to know what you're allergic to, you know, before I think about saying you could have this with me and all that, you know. Because you know what? I want to let y'all know something. I'm allergic to the seasoning, some kind of chicken seasoning that they put in KFC, you know. All right. So I'm gonna see Lizzie Velasquez. I haven't saw you made a new video in like a month or so. Okay, Lizzie, if you have time, I hope you do more videos. Okay, yes indeed. I gotta watch your videos again because I never get tired of watching you on YouTube. Okay, when I come to your channel, I hope I see something new. Okay, and plus I haven't watched your movie yet. You know, can you put the full movie on YouTube? If you can't do it, I'll understand. You know, but I saw that the pay to watch your video, but I wish you could send me your DVD. You know, I would definitely support that. You know, yes indeed. Okay. All right. So thank y'all for watching, and Lizzie, I will ask you something. If you ever come to New Orleans, I want to tell y'all there's a convention called MeccaCon. Lizzie, have you ever heard of MeccaCon? I don't know if you heard of Comic-Con, you know, but again, just like I made this video, I don't know if you saw that video when I was mentioning Roman and stuff like that. Again, I would like to say MeccaCon is from July 27 until July 29th. Okay, I sure wish you could come out here to go to MeccaCon. You know, that'll be fun for you. Okay, I'm sure you'll have a great time. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure of it. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna say. And for Lizzie parents, I want to let y'all know something. Your daughter is awesome, okay? I watch her all the time, okay? I hope her parents is watching this, but there's one thing I want to say before I stop this video. If I say something offensive, I apologize, okay? I'm not only apologizing to Lizzie, I'm going to apologize to Roman if I ever say something offensive, okay? Roman, if I say something offensive, I am very, very sorry for what I said, okay? I don't mean no harm, folks, okay? If I say anything offensive, I'm very sorry, okay? Sometimes I say something and don't even know what I'm talking about, okay? I really don't know what I'm talking about sometimes, okay? I'm disabled, part autistic, Asperger, stuff like that. All right, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Sometimes I stutter. I don't take my time and talk. You know. All right. And some people you used to make fun of my stuttering. You know. Yeah. And Lizzie, you wasn't the only one that been bullied in school. I've been bullied myself. But you know, I never like to go tell a teacher. I wanted to take matters in my own hands. I was taking matters in my own hands. You know, I never told my mom. I never told nobody. You know, that I was being bullied. I wanted to take matters in my own hands. You know, because I was raised in the project, and my mama never taught me to take matters in my own hands. You know, and I was born and raised in the project. You know. Because I was on that no snitching code thing, you know, but never mind that crap, you know. All right, thank y'all for watching. If I say something offensive, I apologize. Okay, so thank y'all for watching this video, and Lizzie, if you're watching this, thank you for watching too. Okay, you're a very sweet, lovable person, and excuse me. And I can't wait to meet you someday. I really wanna meet you, okay? And plus, you'll probably like my jokes. Some of my jokes is lame, some of them is funny, okay? When I say poo-poo. I always say that for some reason, like I'm 3 or 4 years old saying poo-poo. All right, that's it I would say. All right, bye-bye, y'all.